Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Vivo V23 Pro versus Vivo V25 Pro. So let's see the detail. Let's talk about camera. Let's start with Vivo V23 Pro. Its primary camera have 108 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और LED flash. Let's talk about Vivo V25 Pro. Its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 और micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और LED flash. Let's talk about price. Vivo V23 Pro come around $38,478 of 8GB RAM और Vivo V25 Pro come around $36,453 of 8GB RAM और 128GB internal storage.